In section 4 of this tutorial, we're going to take a look at using the formatting toolbar to change the font style, the symbol color, and to be able to zoom in and out. The formatting toolbar is located at the bottom of the screen. Now, if you're used to using other programs, formatting toolbars would typically be found at the top. That is one big difference in using Inspiration. So you'll notice Times New Roman, that being a very common font style, that would be the font box. The idea here would be to highlight the words that you would like to change. There's a drop down arrow, and if you pick out a different type of font from there, it will change the font. What I'd like you to do is pause this video, switch over to your Inspiration screen, and change the font style of one of your boxes. Okay, hopefully you were able to change that successfully. If not, you can always review how I went through it before. At this point, what I'd like to do is change the symbol colors. So this symbol here is a grayish color with a blue line around it. So if I select that symbol there, and the same bar at the bottom where I changed the font has these little symbols here which allow me to change the colors. This here, being the gray that matches the inside, is the fill color. And if I click on it, it'll allow me to pick from different colors in here. If I pick this green out, and this blue color being the line color, if I click on this and choose a reddish color, it shows the changes of this. One other thing you can do with this, or another thing you can do, is you can adjust the thickness of the line around it by clicking on this arrow here and this button. The bottom line at the bottom will make it a thinner line. So what I'd like you to do again is pause the video, pick a symbol, change the fill color, the line color, and the line thickness. Another important thing to be able to do, and this is actually not really part of the formatting toolbar, but it's located in the same area, is the ability to zoom in and out. In some programs you'll see plus signs or minus signs in the top of the bars to be able to accomplish this task, but in Inspiration it's down here. There's a percentage located here, and if you click on that, it'll allow you to pick out a percentage style. This is a zoom out, and this is a zoom in. These are like pictures of mountains. And if I was to click zoom in, it'll zoom in to a higher percentage, and if I was to use this, it would zoom out. Now it can zoom quite far out, and as you can see, there's an enormous amount of space available in Inspiration to make diagrams. So I'll zoom back in, and if I was to, say for instance, get too far in and I wanted to be able to see the whole screen, that's this last section here, fit to window. If I fit to window, it will fit all of the symbols inside of the window that exist. So these are the different things you can use to zoom in and out, fit to window, and pick a percentage. What I'd like you to do now is pause the video and go through each one of these buttons to see how they work. Hopefully you were able to do everything in part 4 of this tutorial. If there's any parts you missed, you can always rewind each tutorial and review that section. The next section, section 5, will be about adding text for symbols.